I'm gonna be doing a liquid slash cream makeup tutorial. Really easy, really quick. I'm going somewhere really fancy named Costco. I don't know if you've heard of it before. You can't look every time I make a
yeah, you can't look at me. I think this is the best spot for me.
This is a bad. Hi everyone. I'm gonna be doing a liquid slash cream makeup tutorial. It's gonna be really easy, really quick. The reason why I'm sticking to liquids and creams is because my skin is really dry. I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but I live in New England and it obviously gets really cold in the wintertime, duh, but my skin gets really dry. So even though I moisturize, twice a day, use a ton of skincare products, my skin still gets dry. So resorting to liquid or cream products just overall look a lot better during this time. Sometimes I tend to set things with a powder because I'm a little bit oily in my T-zone, so we'll see. I'll put things on and then I'll powder as necessary. I'm going to be using my beauty blender today, so any beauty sponge that you have will work. First, I'm going to prime my face with the No Problem Primer. I already did my morning skincare about an hour ago, and I've moisturized my skin, but I'm finding that I'm getting like decently big pores in this area. Sometimes foundation tends to like highlight it a little bit, so I'm using a pore filling primer. This one from Touch & Soul is actually really nice. It doesn't feel like regular pore filling primers like Benefit's Professional. Those tend to be, I feel like, a little bit more silicone-y. This is slippery, which overall just doesn't pill on my skin, so really like that. I'm going to be going in with foundation next because the products that I'm going to be using on my eyes are going to be, cream pencils, and there's not going to be any fallout, so we don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to be using the Becca Skin Love foundation in the color Buttercup today. I've gone through like 2 different colors of this foundation. I'm just going to pump it on my forehead and use my beauty blender, and I think this color is good, but I don't know. It's a little bit, I think it looks yellow in person, doggies. Shh. I think it looks good in person, but sometimes whenever I take photos, it looks a little bit light. So, I don't know. I'm gonna be taking about 2 pumps on my beauty blender, using this as a mirror. And I'm gonna fast forward to this. Okay, so this foundation is definitely not full coverage. I'd say sheer to medium, a little bit buildable, but if you're looking for an everyday foundation and for your skin to look like skin, this one's pretty good. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using the NARS, no, I'm not. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Neutral. I'm finding that my dark circles are getting worse with age, I'm pretty sure. So I am like needing a heavy duty concealer under my eyes, although I'd like to go as fresh and as light as possible. Under my eyes just like does not cut it. Let's blend that. We'll put this in. Alright, concealer is done. I'm going to first bronze my face, and then afterwards I'm going to set under my eyes with the same beauty blender. I just don't want to get powder on the beauty blender and then have to use it for other purposes on my face, if you know what I mean. For bronzer today, I'm going to be using the Soleil Tan de Chanel in Bronze Universal. This thing I've had this for a year, and honestly I just kind of forget about it. Sometimes I just find that powder products are just so much easier to apply and like carry with you and carry in your travel makeup bag. And for this, I feel like although they say like it's a universal color, I have to use a lot for it to show up. What do you guys think? Have you tried this? Let me know in the comments below. So for blush, I'm going to be using these Flower Beauty blush bombs. These are really, really good. You can get these at Ulta or Walmart or on the Flower Beauty website, I believe. I think they have a website. I have two colors here. One of them is cinnamon and the other one is pinched. I like them both. I like them both individually, but my favorite way to wear them is mixed. They're, you know, I believe they're under $10. I got them on sale, buy one, get one half off at Ulta. So just wait for a sale to try them, but they're great. They last really long on your skin. So like I mentioned, I mixed the two colors. Just dab on the apples of my cheek. I do one cheek at a time. And just blend with the Beauty Blender and then add more. They just blend out really nicely. They kind of look like your own really cheeks are flush, which is my favorite type of blush look, super natural. They're a little bit more forgiving. They're kind of similar to the Glossier Cloud Paints, which I have as well, and like similar colors too, where they're, you know, pretty forgiving. They're great to mix. So if Glossier is not as accessible for you, give these a shot. All right. Next, I'm going to be doing highlighter. So I'm using a Korean product again. This is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek. God, that is always hard to say. And the color Wisp, which is like a gold, whoopsies. And it's in a goldeny type color. Oh my God, this looks beat up. These are awesome. Again, if you're looking for something that is affordable, but delivers a ton of impact, these are great, and they come in like a million colors. So first I apply with my finger, and then I follow with a Beauty Blender. I feel like now that we have all the complexion products down, I'm going to be taking a little bit of powder specifically under my eyes. So I'm going to target it under my eyes and then my T-zone, and I'm going to leave everything else bare. So I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, oldie but a goodie. Where's that? You can either dust it away with a brush. I don't have one handy right now. Clean my unders. Now I'm going to move on to the eyes. Wow, this is going really fast. I'm going to be using two products. So I have the Nude Stick Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in the color Nudity. Really pretty kind of champagne-y pink. And then I'm using the Lancome Ombre Hypnose Stylo in the color, what is the color? Oh, 27 Bronze. So I'm going to be putting the majority of the nude stick like all over my lid. You don't need to be perfect. Just from inner corner to outer corner, keeping it under the crease, just loading that up. And then take a synthetic brush. This is a Tarte brush that came in a kit, you know, last holiday, but any synthetic fluffy brush will work. And just take it on your crease and really blow out those edges. That's good. Then I'm going to be taking the Lancome Hypno Stylo in the color Bronze and just focusing this on the outer edge. So dabbing a little bit. Don't have to be perfect. Then taking that same synthetic brush and just blending that in. Then take that same Chic highlighter that we used earlier. And I'm just going to add a little bit to my brow bone with my finger. Could have done that before, but completely forgot. Just blend that out. Super easy, just using your fingers. Awesome. done with that, I'm gonna apply mascara and then I'll be back to do the lips. All right, so for mascara, I used the Lancome Hypnose Drama in the color black. For the first time, I really like it. Super fluffy, kind of natural, wispy looking lashes. And I mentioned this in my last video, but these mascara wands, or what do you call this? Eyelash wands that you can get at the drugstore are a lifesaver. Definitely pick up one of those. And lastly, for lips, I'm going to be using, I just picked this up, the new Fenty Gloss Bomb in the color Fussy. Oops. I'm lining my lips first with a pink lip liner. Really, any pink liner that you have at home will work. This is like a L'Oreal Infallible lip liner I picked up a long time ago. And just line the lips. Does not have to be perfect because the gloss is like fairly forgiving. With these kind of colors, I line first, and then I use my finger to blend out. Just make it look a little bit more natural. And then I'm gonna be going in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the color Fussy. I feel like she wanted to name this something else. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it smells so good. I love scented lip products, like not complexion products, but lip products, yes. Awesome. Just finishing up with a spritz of the Urban Decay All Nighter. Let that dry. And that's it, guys. This is quick and easy, I think. Please let me know if there's any cream / liquid products you think I should try out. I would love to check those out. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one.
Bueno.
How does the lighting look? Fucking sun literally keeps moving every 5 seconds. I'm so far away. Come on. Battery's probably gonna die. Is that good?
Yeah, it looks nice.
Okay.
Okay.
So today I'm gonna be doing a cream. No, I'm not. You're gonna hear me mess up a million times. Basically, my skin is really dry. Damn it, son. Fuck.
Maybe the sunlight is not the best to do. Maybe.
Natural light is supposed to be the best.
Yeah, but like natural light, not indirect sunlight.
It's okay. I'm not gonna move the whole fucking table. I need the table too.
Well, girl, come here.